The concept of a new compact powerhouse from Apple has always sparked a unique kind of fervor among tech enthusiasts. But the whispers surrounding the iPad mini in May 2026 have reached a fever pitch that we haven't seen in years. For those who have been clinging to their older models, waiting for a reason to upgrade, the landscape of small form factor tablets is about to undergo a seismic shift that challenges everything we thought we knew about portable productivity. We are standing at the precipice of a new era where the distinction between a handheld device and a professional workstation is becoming increasingly blurred, and the latest leaks suggest that Apple is preparing to drop a bombshell that will redefine the Mini moniker forever. It is not just about a faster chip or a brighter screen anymore. It is about a fundamental reimagining of how we interact with silicon and glass in the palm of our hands. The tech world is currently buzzing with data points suggesting a hardware leap so significant it feels almost alien for a device of this footprint. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, as we dive into the heart of these revelations, you have to understand the gravity of the engineering challenges Apple has reportedly overcome to make this vision a reality. While many were distracted by the larger Pro models, the secret developments in the iPad Mini 5 lineage and its successors have culminated in a prototype that insiders are calling the most efficient piece of mobile hardware ever conceived. This isn't just an incremental update. It's a total overhaul of the architecture that governs how thermal pressure is managed in a tight chassis, allowing for performance metrics that were previously reserved for desktop-class machines. When we look back at the journey of this device, the iPad Mini 5 was a pivotal moment for many, offering a balance of portability and power that stayed relevant for an incredibly long time. But the 2026 leaks suggest we're moving into a territory that makes previous iterations look like ancient relics. The supply chain reports coming out of Asia are pointing toward a revolutionary display technology that utilizes a next-generation tandem OLED structure, capable of hitting peak brightness levels that will make outdoor usage in direct sunlight as clear as a high-end studio monitor. But the real magic lies beneath the surface, where the integration of a specialized AI-centric neural engine is rumored to handle real-time video rendering and complex computational tasks with a fraction of the power consumption we see in current models. Imagine a world where you can edit 8K ProRes footage on a device that fits in your jacket pocket without it breaking a sweat or draining the battery in 20 minutes. This is the promise of the May 2026 leaks, a promise that is backed by patent filings and shipping manifests that have recently come to light. One of the most captivating aspects of these leaks is the supposed introduction of a modular connector system. This isn't just a USB-C port. It's a high-bandwidth magnetic interface that allows for a suite of professional accessories to snap onto the back, effectively turning the tablet into a specialized tool for creators, doctors, and engineers. We are hearing about a dedicated cooling grip for sustained gaming and a precision LiDAR attachment for high-fidelity 3D scanning. The implications for the prosumer market are staggering. Apple seems to be acknowledging that the Mini user isn't just a casual consumer, but often a power user who values the ability to go anywhere without being weighed down by a massive slab of glass. The 2026 model is reportedly designed to be the brain of a much larger ecosystem, capable of driving multiple external displays via a single wireless protocol that eliminates latency entirely. Furthermore, the design language is said to be taking a bold turn toward a zero-bezel philosophy. By utilizing under-display camera technology that has finally matured to Apple's exacting standards, the front of the device will be a pure, uninterrupted canvas. This creates an immersive experience that makes the digital world feel like it's floating in your hand. The chassis itself is rumored to be constructed from a new titanium aluminum alloy that provides even more structural rigidity while actually reducing the overall weight. This focus on durability and lightness is a direct response to feedback from field professionals who need a device that can survive the rigors of travel and work sites without the need for a bulky, protective case. It is a masterclass in industrial design, proving that you don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for functionality. As we peel back the layers of these May 2026 leaks, the software integration becomes the next big talking point. Sources suggest a tailored version of the operating system specifically optimized for this screen size, featuring a contextual multitasking engine. This system uses on-device machine learning to predict which apps you need based on your location, the time of day, and your current activity, arranging them in a fluid, gesture-based interface that feels more like an extension of your thoughts than a traditional menu system. The synergy between the hardware and software is what will likely make this the must-have gadget of the year. It's not just about what the device can do, but how it makes you feel while you're doing it, empowered, efficient, and untethered from the desk. The battery technology is another area where the 2026 leaks are causing a stir. We are seeing mentions of a solid-state battery chemistry being trialed in smaller batches, which would offer significantly higher energy density and faster charging cycles than current lithium-ion solutions. If this makes it into the final production units, we could be looking at a multi-day battery life for a device this size, which would be an absolute game-changer for travelers and digital nomads. The goal is clearly to eliminate range anxiety for tablet users, ensuring that the device is always ready when inspiration strikes. When you combine this with the rumored 2nm processor, the efficiency-to-power ratio becomes something that competitors will struggle to match for years to come.